Hi guys, I'm Laura from Contractors Liability. Today I will explain to you how to get fast certificates of insurance if you're a roofer in New Hampshire. If you're looking for something that protects you, it's not gonna be cheap, so you should know everything about the product. Many people are intimidated by insurance as it can be very complex. However, what you're trying to accomplish is very simple. In general, you need a certificate to go to work or get paid for a job. This is what we do here. We specialize in contractors insurance. Most times, your local agent can only represent 2 or 3 companies to get you the best price. We work with over 15 companies that provide the policies you need through all 50 states. So, if you're a roofer in New Hampshire, this is what you need. General liability insurance. First, we present the most needed for certificate of insurance, general liability insurance. This is most likely the product that you will need first for a certificate of insurance and is 80% of the business we insure. This policy is simply a $1 million coverage if you or your work cause damage to someone else's property or cause bodily harm to someone. The reason your employer or general contractor is demanding it from you is just to take the risk off from his policy and turn it into your responsibility. We can find a cheaper policy that will give you the ability to fulfill your end of the contract by providing your employer with proof of insurance with a certificate. That is what you're looking for, and that is what we do. We can do it cheaply and we can do it fast, 24 hours a day in general and 7 days per week. If you are in New Hampshire, give us a call and we'll get the job done for you. Workers' compensation insurance. Next in line of types of insurance, we have workers' compensation insurance. This insurance used to be called the Great Compromise back when there were big companies and very poor people working under horrible conditions. According to law, if you got injured at work, your general contractor or business owner was required to buy insurance. This means to provide you with 2/3 your income, your medical bills covered, and if you're unable to do your job, it also covers your training for the next job. As simple as that. The problem might be that if you are self-employed and you don't have any workers, why do you need to buy insurance for this? This can get a little more complex, and if you are in this situation, call us. We can get you a policy that excludes yourself for around $1,200 per year depending on the state you live in. Again, we write this in almost all states except a few it is handled by the state government. Call us anyway and we can help you out. Commercial auto insurance. Moving on, let's get into commercial auto insurance. In general, it is just like your personal auto insurance except you have $1 million in coverage versus $100,000 in coverage. If you use your vehicle to get a job in New Hampshire, you need commercial auto insurance. Luckily, it's not as expensive as personal auto and it is tax deductible. If you're buying personal auto insurance and using your car for business, they can't deduct claim because it is excluded in almost all personal insurance policies. So, if you need all 3 of these policies for a job, we can do them all. Give us a call. We represent Travelers, Progressive, Nationwide, and as well as many other insurance companies to get you the best policy at the lowest cost. Inland Marine Insurance. Finally, if you're a roofer, you usually leave your tools covered for theft. We all know someone that has had their tools stolen from inside the garage or the vehicle. The problem with this is that tools are expensive and you might need them to do your work, and maybe you might not have $10,000 or more cash in hand to pay for them. If this is the case, you should insure them and we can do it for only $25 per month. That's money we'll spend to prevent a really bad day. So guys, we hope you learned something and we hope you call us or submit the online form for a quote. We promise it will get you fast quotes and the best price available in New Hampshire. Thank you for your time and consideration watching this video. We hope to hear from you soon. Best of luck with your business.